A question I get asked fairly regularly is if I've noticed that there's a typo on the dial of these clocks. The Roman numeral for 4 should be an IV. However, clocks have their own traditions, and 4 I's is the standard for clocks. I looked through clock books and counted 500 instances of 4 I's as the letter 4 and less than 10 instances of IV. And while there are a few clocks that use IV for the number 4, the vast majority of the clocks will use 4 I's. So with regard to clocks, this is not a typo, but actually the preferred method. Nobody really knows for sure why clocks do it this way. One theory is that this might have been done for better balance from the left to right sides, or it may have just been a typo that was copied over and over again, or maybe just a practical joke that got out of hand. Nobody knows for sure, and I'm going to continue designing clocks using the traditional 4 I's instead of the theoretically correct IV for the Roman numeral 4.